Hi friends, this is the practice for your topic section. So you should have a paper that looks like this. What we want you to do is we want you to listen to this passage that I'm about to read to you. And then down on these lines, we want you to write what the topic of this passage is. Now friends, in your learning video, you should have learned that the topic of a text is what the article or text is mostly about. So it's what the article or the text is talking the most about, okay? So I want you to listen to "In the Night Sky," and I want you to think about what this text is mostly about. That is going to be the topic that you're going to write down here on these lines, okay? Here we go. Colors and sizes. When you look at the night sky, you can see many beautiful stars. A star is a huge sphere of very hot, glowing gas. Stars come in a lot of sizes and colors. Our sun is an average-sized yellowish star. Stars which are smaller than our sun are reddish and larger stars are blue. Nobody knows exactly how many stars there are in the universe. There are so many stars, billions and billions of them, that it is not possible to count them all. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, has several 100 billion stars. Here's a quick little illustration. Every star you see in the night sky is bigger than our sun. So friends, now that you've listened to this passage, what is the topic of this passage? We want you to write it down here. The topic of the passage is blank. What is this passage mostly about? What word did you hear in this passage over and over again? That would be the topic of this passage.